Learn English to Hindi. Come, I came, you came with.
aana,
Welcome to the great coming and coming back disaster. Hey, you are about to learn a super useful Hindi family of words. And yes, this chapter is all about people arriving like dramatic movie stars who were only 5 minutes late but act like they crossed the Himalayas. Today's star word is come.
aana,
If you want someone to come, you use.
aana,
Imagine a friend at the door, a cat in a tiny scarf, and a grandmother shouting, "Tea is ready, please."
aana,
Exclamation mark single quote. Now the past forms arrive too. I came is.
मैं आया,
You came is.
तुम आए,
He came is.
वो आया,
She came is.
आई,
Often heard as.
वो आए,
We came is.
हम आए,
They came is.
वे आए,
And one sneaky extra word joins the party. Less, which is.
कम,
Because apparently when guests come, there is always.
कम,
Chai.
कम,
Snacks, or.
कम,
Patience. Meet the word family. Let's line these words up like guests outside a house. You do not need to memorize everything at once, just listen for the pattern. Base verb. Come equals.
आना,
Think of movement toward you. I came equals.
मैं आया,
A dramatic entrance is complete. You came equals.
तुम आए,
Finally, we almost ate your dessert. He came equals.
वो आया,
He arrived with confidence and maybe the wrong address. She came equals.
आई,
Or in full.
वो आए,
We came equals.
हम आए,
This sounds like a team, a family, or a hungry friend group. They came equals.
वे आए,
The crowd has entered. Less equals.
कम,
Very useful when there is.
कम,
Sugar.
कम,
Time, or.
कम,
Common sense. A very serious story about very unserious guests. Now listen to a short story. Your job is simple. Notice each Hindi phrase when it appears. I was preparing tea for a tiny language party. I said, please.
आना,
Early. Of course, nobody came early because that would be too convenient. First, I opened the door proudly and announced for no reason.
मैं आया,
Yes, I told myself that I had arrived in my own kitchen. Then my friend showed up, and I said,
तुम आए,
wonderful. He entered carrying exactly one biscuit like a king bringing tribute, so I whispered.
वो आया,
But the snacks did not. A little later, my neighbor arrived with perfect timing and better chai leaves. Single quote.
वो आए,
I said, trying to sound elegant, but I was really just relieved because we had
कम,
tea and too many cups. Soon more friends knocked at the door. We all laughed and shouted.
हम आए,
Even though I was already inside and clearly overcommitted to the bit. Finally, the rest of the group arrived late, cheerful, and extremely hungry. So I pointed dramatically and declared.
वे आए,
Exclamation mark single quote. Then everyone looked at the table and realized there was
कम,
sugar,
कम,
milk, and somehow
कम,
chairs than people. It was chaos. It was beautiful. It was language learning. Mini dialogues you can actually use. Let's make the words speak. Repeat them if you want, and enjoy the mild drama. A. Will you come? B. Yes, I will.
आना,
A. Did you arrive? B.
मैं आया,
A. I waited for so long. B. But.
तुम आए,
So now I forgive you. A. Did he come? B. Yes.
वो आया,
A. Did she come? B. Yes.
वो आए,
A. Did your group arrive? B. Yes.
हम आए,
A. Did the guests come? B. Yes.
वे आए,
A. More sugar? B. No.
कम,
Please. Pattern drill without tears. Here comes the useful part. You will hear the English, then the Hindi. Nice and simple. Come equals.
आना,
I came equals.
मैं आया,
You came equals.
तुम आए,
He came equals.
वो आया,
She came equals.
आए,
We came equals.
हम आए,
They came equals.
वे आए,
Less equals.
कम,
Please come here equals Kirpaya Yaham.
आना,
Yesterday, I came equals Kala.
मैं आया,
I was happy because you came equals Mame Kusa de Kyanki.
तुम आए,
When he came, everyone smiled equals Jabba.
वो आया,
Saba Mukuri. She came to the party equals.
वो आए,
Party mem. After the rain, we came home equals Barisa K Bada.
हम आए,
Gara. They came after dinner equals.
वे आए,
Radha K Kane K Bada. There is less water now equals Abba.
कम,
Pani high. Quiz time, no panic. You are doing great. Answer in your head, out loud, or with the confidence of a game show champion who has had too much chai. What is the Hindi word for come?
आना,
How do you say I came?
मैं आया,
How do you say you came?
तुम आए,
How do you say he came?
वो आया,
How do you say she came?
आए,
Or,
वो आए,
how do you say we came?
हम आए,
How do you say they came?
वे आए,
What is the Hindi word for less?
कम,
Bonus round. Less sugar, please. What key word do you need?
कम,
Tiny culture and memory tips. Before we finish, here are a few quick memory tricks to help these words stick. Sticky words are friendly words. Use a gesture for.
आना,
Curl your hand toward yourself as if inviting someone to come. 4.
मैं आया,
Point to yourself and take one proud little step forward, like you just entered a scene and expect applause. 4.
तुम आए,
Point to the other person and imagine saying, you actually made it. 4.
वो आया,
And.
वो आए,
Imagine a doorway and someone appearing in it. 4.
हम आए,
Picture your whole friend group entering together and somehow all talking at once. 4.
वे आए,
Imagine a crowd arriving late but acting early. 4.
कम,
Pinch your fingers close together to show a small amount. Less sugar, less noise, less drama. Or at least slightly less drama. Friendly conclusion. You made it to the end, and unlike our imaginary guests, you arrived exactly when needed. Today you practiced come and its key Hindi forms.
आना, मैं आया, तुम आए, वो आया, आए, हम आए, वे आए,
And.
कम.
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing, repeat the phrases out loud, and use them in tiny daily sentences. You are doing great, and every time you return, your Hindi will come closer too.